Here we have the oceans coming in and out. As the tide goes back, it leaves behind sediment. This sediment is the first layer in the base for the other rocks that will be on top of it. This happened in the Tri-Jurassic time period. In the frames you see a fish. Eventually the fish will die, which is why you will see fish fossils in this time period.
As time passed, it became the Jurassic period. This is a period that happened millions of years ago when dinosaurs roamed the land. But while they lived their lives, they didn't realize that they'd get hit by a major asteroid. After they were hit by the asteroid, they left behind fossils, forming a new layer. We know the layer is older because of the fossil evidence, and the layer was built upon the first layer.
Soon it was the Cretaceous time period where tall, huge, beautiful mountains were made by continental plate boundaries. But over time they started to erode and break down. The mountains soon went from beautiful mountains to broken down, eroded sediment. This is called the wind and weather erosion. Once again, we know this is older because it was built upon the last layer. As time went on and the sediment became deposited, the rock was formed using sedimentary processes.
Soon it was the Quaternary time period, and after the mountains broke down and eroded throughout Earth, magma started to be exposed to outside atmosphere, and it was cross-cutting through older layers. We know it's older because they had to cross-cut through layers that were already there.
Then it was the Quaternary time period. In this scene, there's earthquakes, and the ground started to erode and break down, which makes new sediment. In this layer, you find plants, which stay there, and that is why you find plant fossils.
This is still the Quaternary time period, but it is now modern day, where people are living on top of all the layers. This is the youngest layer so far because of the fossil evidence and the people that are living on top of them.